Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and here I am showing you a great super easy tip in Microsoft Excel. Yes, this lecture will works on any of your previous legacy Microsoft Excel versions also. Please try, which is the version supports for VLOOKUP function. Now I am making this lecture to simplify who wants to learn and master in Excel. Yes, this is the lecture for you only. If you are seeing a first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe now and have a great tips for your speedy work and supporting your business tricks and making very less time to getting more productivity in your functional area. So let's see. Here I am taking a simple example data for a supplier, an item and an item name. So the item price, the status, where the status of stock is available or not. If you are having a lakhs of data and you want to know very simply, if you know the item number or supplier ID or item name, where the item is available or not, and how to know the prices, if you want a very quick, simply you can make it a VLOOKUP by using the VLOOKUP function. So here what I am trying to doing, just I am taking an item number which is here in this particular column, the item number which is available here, like I am selecting this, and if the user is entered item number here in this box, this is cell what I have selected here, and immediately the item price I am taking, where the item price, if the user wants to know immediately in a front desk, he wants to respond for an answer. So he wants to know immediately the answer of this item price estimation. So what I am trying to doing, if item number knows or item name, how you want accordingly your requirement, you can make this item this Excel VLOOKUP function as your convenient. I'll show you a super easy tips in Excel. I'll show you a super easy tips now. So how it is, see, by writing a VLOOKUP function in this particular cell, so I am referring this particular area of a cell, like a J4 I am referring to what the number it is there. I need to look up this particular part number, and from this a C column is there, no, from this part numbers, if it is found, this number is found in this area of column, I want to get a return of this particular column price items in this particular box, which is a yellow. So let's see how super easily this will write. So here I would like to share you how super easily we can write this formula and understanding to making a customization very easy in your future reference. So equal to VLOOKUP, equal to VLOOKUP, you have to write and press tab to open parenthesis at the position it will complete. Now see, lookup value, the first one is lookup value. This is my lookup value part type, part number J4, and table array, what the area of data it should be lookup. So the table area we need to select immediately. Column index number, what the column to be written, what the column to be written we have to specify in the formula, and a range lookup, where it is exactly or a true false, like boolean expression we have to specify it's exactly or I'll show you what it is, which option if you choose accordingly it will write it give you the response. So VLOOKUP, the lookup value is this cell J4, directly mouse I am selecting, make a comma, table array, select the item number from here, and the range I am selecting from this here to this column, and right two more columns are there. Actually I am returning item price, so it is enough. If you need, you can select also the status if you want to work with the status. Alright, so selected the table array, what the area I want to be get from the lookup area value, return value, put comma, and column index number, which column to be written. So the column first where we are selected, that is a 1, second column 2, third column I want to be get written, so I am putting a third, the index array a column index number to be written as a third column. So item price only will be get written, so make sure to comma, Now see, approximate match in the value first column of the table array must store in ascending order, and it should be like a true approximate match, false exact match. So I want now no false statements, false, false, exact matches only I want to require. And end parenthesis, when you hit enter like a flash, you will get immediately 1006 number. See, this is the 3000 we are getting here. What a awesome. So let me check like 1008. Yes, I'll change the number. I don't want to change any. Automatically like a flash it is coming. How super easy and beautifully this formula, which is created by Excel. The people who are working with the Excel, they are greatly working and putting their great efforts to making your work simplification. Formula here what we've written. So here I will detailedly explain this formula once again. If you need like a status of this item, only this part number, what you do, the index position only the 1 2 3 4, no, so the 4 you can specify, that's it. For that status only you will get. Status only you will get. In such way you need to practice more and more in your way and make a master in VLOOKUP in Excel. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you to practice and you learn some skills, please do subscribe today and comment your views. Thank you.